Hello, today I'm going to be showing you two projects I'm working on. The first project is a level editor, and I'm using it to just make levels for any game I happen to make. Um, and the second project is an overhead shooter game, which is basically just to test out the levels, and a fun little side project. Uh, Both programs are written in C++ and SDL, and they use OpenGL to draw the graphics. And they both run on Unix and Windows. So, without further ado, I'll show you these. First, we have the World Edit program. Just run it. I've already built it. And here we go. You can lay down tiles and solids and all that other stuff a normal level editor can do. You left click to lay down solids, which are represented by red squares, and you can lay down lines of tiles or solids by clicking where you want to start and then holding down the shift key and clicking where you want the line to end. Makes making rooms really quick. It makes it really easy to do, much like a line draw in a paint program. Also, you have different sized brushes, like a 1x1 brush, a 2x2 brush, and a 3x3 brush. 2x2 and a 3x3. You can erase by right-clicking. You can also control this brush size with the keyboard. 1, 2, and 3 keys will change your brush size. Also, you can hide these toolbars, so you can get put down tiles behind them and stuff, and just get them out of the way. You can do that by either clicking on the dark gray buttons, or you can do it by using the keyboard shortcuts Q and E, Q being for the left toolbar and E being for the right toolbar. So Q and E. My program has 4 layers so far. Solid layer, tile 1 layer, tile 2 layer, and tile 3 layer. Solid is obviously the solids, player can't go through them. Tile 1 is like for flooring, it's drawn below the second and third tile layers. Tile 2 could be for like chairs or tables or stuff like that. It's drawn above tile 1 but below tile 3. And tile 3 could be for stuff like on top of tables or stuff like that. So, you can switch between which layer you're editing with these checkboxes. So, like if I want to edit tile layer 1, you can click on this checkbox, and now you're editing this tile layer 1. See, left click and you place down some checkerboard tiles. This toolbar over here holds your tile sets that you're editing. As you can see, the green-blue border around your tile indicates which tile you're using. So, like checkerboard 1, the sand-looking one, I suppose, the spiral pattern, and the red and blue checkerboard. And the rest of this was just to test loading in tiles and stuff. So also you can hold multiple tile sets in your editor the editor at once. Like right now I have open tile set 1 by this tab, and this tab is tile set 2. You left click on it and you can pull it up. These are walls, desks, chairs, tables, trash cans, that sort of thing. So we'll just make a quick little flooring here. Now a neat thing you can do is bucket fill. So like, see this outside area outside this room? Well, if you want to fill it really quickly without having to click everywhere, you can press the middle mouse button and it fills it all in with the that sort of sand. tile. And then show you tile layer 2. And this is ideal for putting down walls and chairs and tables and that sort of thing. So we'll just make a quick room right here. The shift click tool also works here as well. And then put on some tile caps right here. If I can just remember which tile caps go with what. There we go. Have a nice little room, and we'll place some we'll place some desks. And in case you're wondering, this is a classroom tile set for one of my game ideas I may implement someday. So we'll make a teacher's desk. Oh, there's a classroom. Nothing fancy, but it gets the job done. You can also switch between the editing layer by using the scroll wheel on the mouse. So like scrolling up will change what you're editing by going up and down, or going up and scrolling down will take you down a tile layer. So it's nice for just quickly changing without having to click over here. Also control what's being shown, like tile layer 1, I can turn it off and you can see the black background. Tile layer 2, you can see it's solid layer, and you can turn this off and see the tiles below. Don't have anything in tile layer 3, so it doesn't change anything. And yeah, that's about it. You can also save levels. It's rather bare bones, but you just click save, and then in this console window you can save your level. So I'll call it level.lvl. And it appears to have worked. Hope it worked. Anything else I can show you? You can also scroll around the map using the WASD keys. It's useful if you have a larger map. So close out this. And just to show you that it did in fact save the level, here's the project folder, and where is it? Level. There it is. That LVL file. And if we edit it with Notepad, you can see it has all these wonderful values in here. Actually, I think those are addresses, but that's something I need to fix later. Anyway, the overhead shooter is a project I started yesterday. It's basically to test out the level editor and implement some fun game designs I have in mind. So, without further ado, a quick bit of explanation before I show you it in action. This blue square is the player, these green squares are walls, and these yellow rectangles are doors. You can shoot using the left mouse button. Quite a rapid rate of fire here. You can also move around using the arrow keys. And so, one thing I wanted to implement with this, and I've sort of done so far, is make destructible environments. I think it would lend itself to a neat game design. So, like, this door over here is locked, you can't get through it. But say you don't have a lockpick or something like that, you could just shoot the door down and walk on through. I can line my player up right there. Now this door over here is unlocked. You can just keep on going through it, but doors are a hassle. Also, you can destroy walls. They have a lot more health than doors, but still are destroyed quite quickly. You can change your weapon set by using the mouse wheel. It's just faster fire rate and lower damage for now. Have a HUD and stuff and like all that good stuff later. But this is just basic core mechanics getting set up at the moment. So there you can see it's a simple project. And up there's your super rapid fire. Not very damaging, but quite effective. So that's it. In the future, I hope to have graphics, stuff you can pick up, HUD, all that good stuff. That's about it. I'll show you more as I get more done. Hopefully there won't be such a break in between this video and my next video as it has been in the past, but we'll see. These are my two games. Hope you enjoy this, and goodbye.